Welcome back to Prime Review USA. Today we're diving into a serious piece of heavy-duty land clearing machinery, the MeriCrusher MT-700. This isn't your average forestry mulcher. The MT-700 is a purpose-built tracked carrier designed for the most demanding land clearing, construction, and forestry tasks. Whether you're grinding stumps, clearing roots, or preparing sites for development, this machine means business. In this review, we'll explore its build quality, performance, versatility, and what sets it apart from other machines in its category. If you're in the market for industrial-grade land clearing equipment, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the core of the MT-700, its powertrain. At the heart of the machine is a 768 horsepower Mercedes-Benz engine, which delivers massive torque and power that's crucial when you're dealing with hard-packed soil, thick vegetation, and stubborn stumps. One of the most impressive things about this machine is how smoothly it delivers that power, thanks to its advanced hydrostatic transmission system. It gives the operator precise control, which is critical in rugged terrain and when working around sensitive areas like utility lines or fencing. The hydrostatic drive also reduces wear on mechanical components, which ultimately lowers long-term maintenance costs, a big plus for contractors looking to keep downtime minimal. Another standout feature is the MT-700's undercarriage. It rides on a heavy-duty, steel-reinforced rubber track system, giving it exceptional traction across all kinds of surfaces, whether it's loose gravel, mud, or forest floor. The suspension system has been engineered for both comfort and performance, helping absorb shock and vibration, which reduces operator fatigue over long shifts. This might not seem like a huge deal, but when you're spending 8 to 10 hours a day in the cab, it makes a major difference in productivity. Speaking of the cab, it's clear that operator comfort was a top priority in the design. It comes with full climate control, an adjustable air suspension seat, and large windows for optimal visibility. The control layout is intuitive, with a joystick interface that puts all major functions at the operator's fingertips. There's even a built-in touchscreen that provides real-time data on machine performance, hydraulic settings, and maintenance alerts. It's like having a mobile command center inside a tank, extremely well thought out and ideal for both experienced operators and new users alike. When it comes to attachments, the MeriCrusher MT-700 really shines. It's compatible with a range of high-torque rotors and crushing heads designed for mulching, stone crushing, and soil stabilization. These attachments are quick change, so switching between them doesn't require hours of downtime or special tools. The most commonly paired head is the MJ crushing rotor, which can handle everything from small brush to large diameter stumps and rocks. With cutting depths of up to 10 inches and working widths up to 2.5 meters, you can cover a lot of ground fast. And the teeth are carbide tipped, which helps them stay sharp longer, even when grinding through rocky terrain or frozen ground. What sets the MeriCrusher MT-700 apart from competitors is its versatility. It's not just a forestry mulcher. It's also a road construction tool, a site preparation machine, and even a snow and ice removal unit when equipped with the right accessories. That level of multifunctionality makes it an attractive investment for contractors working across different industries. Instead of having to buy and maintain several specialized machines, the MT-700 allows you to handle multiple applications with one unit. That's a huge value add, especially in today's economic climate where efficiency is key. Maintenance on the MT-700 is surprisingly straightforward. Daily checks are easy to perform thanks to the centralized service points and accessible engine compartment. The filters, hydraulic components, and belts are all within reach, and the onboard diagnostics system helps you stay ahead of any potential issues. MeriCrusher also provides detailed service manuals and offers solid customer support, which is reassuring when you're relying on the machine for large-scale projects. In terms of safety, the MT-700 is built to high standards. It includes rollover protection, fire-resistant materials, and LED lighting for night operations. The machine is also equipped with rear and side view cameras to improve visibility in tight spaces. If you're working near roads or in dense forests, this extra visibility helps reduce the risk of accidents. There's also a built-in emergency stop system that instantly halts all operations if needed. These features not only protect the operator but also contribute to job site safety overall. Performance in the field is where the MeriCrusher MT-700 earns its reputation. Whether you're clearing land for agricultural use, preparing a construction site, or reclaiming old roads, this machine consistently delivers high output. Operators report that it cuts working time significantly compared to traditional dozer and excavator methods. In mulching mode, the MT-700 can process several acres per day, depending on material density and terrain. And thanks to the precise controls and powerful drive, it doesn't bog down even in the thickest underbrush. That reliability is exactly what you need when you're working on tight deadlines. Of course, a machine of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The MT-700 is a premium piece of equipment, and its price tag reflects that. But for contractors and operators who need a machine that can handle extreme conditions without compromise, the investment makes sense. Over time, the efficiency gains, reduced need for multiple machines, and lower maintenance costs can easily justify the upfront expense. And if you're bidding on large municipal or federal contracts, having a tool like this in your fleet can give you a competitive edge. Another thing worth mentioning is the reputation of the MeriCrusher brand itself. Based in Finland, they've been producing land clearing and crushing equipment for decades, and their machines are used worldwide. The MT-700 represents the culmination of years of engineering experience and customer feedback. It's built tough, tested in extreme climates, and designed with real-world use in mind. That kind of heritage goes a long way in an industry where downtime and reliability are make-or-break factors. In conclusion, the MeriCrusher MT-700 is not just another track mulcher, it's a high-performance, multifunctional powerhouse built for serious work. With its massive power, intelligent design, and rugged construction, it's clearly aimed at professionals who demand the best. Whether you're in forestry, construction, roadwork, or site development, the MT-700 gives you the flexibility and reliability to take on just about any challenge. If you're in the market for a machine that can truly do it all, this one deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Prime Review USA. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any experience with the MT-700 or want us to review a different model. See you in the next one.